Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsans, behold your governor, Senator Douye Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Douye Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Douye Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Douye Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Vote for Douye Diri as Governor of Bayelsa State. Vote PDP. Senator Douye Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
Osun State Governor Adeleke has called on Bayelsans to vote massively for Governor Douye Diri at the forthcoming November 11, 2023 governorship election on account of his impactful governance in the last 3.5 years. Governor Adeleke made the call while commissioning the 7.7 kilometer AIT Imiringi Outer Ring Road project constructed by the Governor Diri administration in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa state capital.
Osun State Governor Adeleke was in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa state capital, recently to commission the completed Section 4 of the Imiringi Road constructed by the prosperity government of Governor Douye Diri. The 7.7 kilometer Imiringi AIT road is expected to ease movement of goods and services from local communities to the city center and enable travelers access Ogbia and Nembe local government areas directly from the east-west road. Impressed with the quality of the project, Governor Adeleke said his Bayelsa state counterpart, who had done so much to improve the lots of his people, deserved a second term.
Come November 11, we are going to troop out and vote for a miracle governor. Yes. And when you vote for prosperity. Yes. When you vote, you are saying Bayelsa will continue to grow from strength to strength. Amen.
The Imiringi Road construction project was first awarded under the administration of former Governor Henry Seriake Dixon in 2013. It was re-awarded in 2021 by the Senator Diri-led prosperity government due to its economic viability. During the commissioning of the Imiringi Road project, the Bayelsa state governor declared that Yenagoa had received a major facelift under his administration.
This is another testament of what you elected your prosperity government to do. We are going to be out of that abuse that Bayelsa state has only one road, yes, and that is the Imbiama-Yenagoa road. Yes. Now you know we don't have only one road. Yes, yes. We now have Igbogene AIT road. We have Glory Drive road. And so many will still come.
The governor and his deputy, Senator Lawrence Erujakbo, later proceeded to Southern Ijaw local government area in continuation of their campaign ahead of the November 11, 2023 governorship election. For the governor and his team, driving to largely isolated coastal communities in Southern Ijaw local government area wasn't stressful, as the Yenagoa-Oporoma Road construction project had progressed to Angiama under his administration. While in Southern Ijaw, Governor Diri commissioned several projects awarded to attract development to hitherto neglected communities. He assured the people that if re-elected, the prosperity they had witnessed in over 3 years would continue.
We will build the roads, we will build the bridges, but we will also build the human beings. So that the human beings will have the capacity to buy their own cars. They will build their own houses. They will employ their own labor. That is what we are teaching you. So don't mind those who are coming to tell you lies.
While in Southern Ijaw, Governor Diri got a rousing reception from the people across 4 state constituencies where he went to campaign. At Bomo Clan, he received royal blessings to go into the election and emerge victorious.
In the name of the Father,
Amen,
In the name of the Son,
Amen.
and the Holy Ghost.
Amen.
All is well with you.
Amen.
In all the local government areas visited so far in their campaigns, Governor Diri and his team have enjoyed warm reception from the people. However, the mood in southern Niger, where they went to campaign recently, was particularly ecstatic. Convinced that one good term deserves another, southern Niger, which has the highest voting strength in Bayelsa state, has promised to give the Diri and Lawrence tickets block votes in the forthcoming election.
In southern Niger, PDP has taken the day, Diri has taken the day. Diri have been able to bring peace in this state. Diri have set a standard that every governor that is coming to this state will emulate this standard that he has set. He has created a record in the state that everybody can see and testify.
Bayelsans, behold your governor, Senator Douye Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa state. Senator Douye Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Douye Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa state. Senator Douye Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa state for 2 terms. Vote for Douye Diri as governor of Bayelsa state. Vote PDP. Senator Douye Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa state. Inside the Niger